Here with a special dinner tonight that I'm making for the first time. And I got it from a channel called Rainbow Plant Life. And the purpose of her video was the one meal she would make to show a non-vegan that vegan food is really good. And she said everybody always really loves it. So we're going to test it out tonight because I do have a non-vegan friend here, John, and so we're going to see how it goes tonight. And then, so what I've got going so far, I'm sautéing a little bit the ginger, garlic, and serrano pepper. And there's extra over here that's going to be for John because he really likes it hot. This is going to be a little bit more subdued. So that's how it's going to start. And then very soon I'll put the spices in and we'll keep going from there. This is supposed to be a very easy meal to do. All right. All right, I'm adding all the spices right now. And then, of course, it wants to be difficult and not all come out. I'm supposed to be very careful with this kind of stuff because it supposedly can burn quickly. And by the way, this dish is called red lentil curry.
Smells good already.
Yeah, it does. It's got a lot of different spices in there.
Yeah, guys, I've never had anything like this either, so this will be...
It's new for me. Alright, really quick, I'm going to be adding the lentils and vegetable broth.
Sorry I missed that shot, guys. Didn't start recording, but he put vegetable broth in just now.
And here comes the lentils. Let me make sure on this so I don't mess stuff up. Add the lentils and 1 14-ounce can of the tomato. Okay, then I have to put the tomato sauce in also. Damn, this just got all hard. That's interesting. I've never seen these red lentils before either. They're new to me. All right, then I'm supposed to put the tomato sauce in also. Maybe it's from my garden tomatoes. Darn stuff to burn up there. All right, now I'm just supposed to cover it and let it simmer for a while, which I'm sure I can turn it up more again. I just don't want to have clumps of them in there. Alright, so I think I'll cover it up and let it cook for a while. Alright, we're adding the coconut milk here, and then after I stir this in a little bit, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of almond butter, which is supposed to really add something real nice for it. And then we just cook it uncovered for about 7 minutes, and then it's supposed to be ready to go. It's looking good.
Smells good.
Yeah. So after I get this, I'm going to put almond butter in, and that's the last ingredient, except after when you serve it, you put in I always forget the name of this stuff. Cilantro. Cilantro, and some pepper and salt. Although that's already in there, but I'm supposed to add a bit more.
It's kind of funny how cilantro tastes really good to some people and really bad to others.
Do you like it or not?
I do like it, but
It's good.
It's just so funny that there's such extreme divisions on that.
I've always liked it. It has a really kind of a fresh taste. Oh, and the other thing I better do. All right, so I'll be putting the almond butter in real quick here, and I guess I'm supposed to time this also. Okay, I see. Almond butter. So it's 3 tablespoons. These are kind of heaping tablespoons, but I'll put kind of a small one in last. And now you just let it simmer for a while to thicken up a little bit more. And I cooked the jasmine, red jasmine rice earlier today, which I'm going to reheat in the microwave, and you serve it on that. Okay. So it's ready to eat, and we're going to get the verdict as to, and it looks like, eat with a spoon to me, but there's a fork there if somebody wants it, but there's also a spoon. All right? Supposed to eat.
Whenever.
Tastes very good the first bite.
Even by the first bite, you're correct.
Yeah. I like it. I give it a thumbs up.
It's almost like a whole journey.
Another delightful meal. How does everybody feel? How did you like it?
I liked it a lot. It was delicious.
Yeah.
What about you?
I thought it was really good. Very well done.
Mm-hmm.
Very tasty meal.
All right, so I guess it's like a big thank you to Plant Life, Rainbow Plant Life.
Yeah. Once again,
Rainbow Plant Life.
the link will be below. Check her channel out.
Yes.
And so, yeah.
Yeah.
See you guys next time.